worked there and drilled further into the ice there, all while the world believed that they were studying snow. But then something happened that no one prepared for. Greenland's ice. It isn't solid. It moves slowly yet constantly. And that movement began crushing these tunnels. Walls twisted, ceilings collapsed, entire corridors buckled. By 1963, keeping these tunnels open became nearly impossible. The base was literally being swallowed alive. Nature reclaiming what's hers. So in 1966, the US quietly shut down Project Iceworm.